I'm just to the north of El Dorado, Arkansas, as a severe warning storm is approaching. This is a dangerous supercell storm with a monster hail core on it. It does have some mid-level rotation as well as it slides off to the east-southeast. It also has this very large shelf cloud that's extending off to the east. Basically a large rear flank downdraft that's whipping around the south side of this supercell and then surging out. The lightning frequency is also incredibly impressive with this storm. You can see the striations here along the shelf. Basically an elevated mesocyclone here as this surges off to the east-southeast. Right here at the surface winds are relatively calm. Just above the ground we have westerly winds at about 30 knots, and that speed shear is enough to even have a small tornado threat with these storms. But this supercell has several storms right behind it that are creating some outflow and really pushing it along and also seeding it with that rain and hail. And that while that's causing this storm to accelerate, it is getting just a little bit outflow dominant. There's not that a roaring inflow flowing into this mesocyclone at my back, those warm, moist winds that are flowing into supercell storms that often produce tornadoes. But there is still plenty of bulk shear for a supercell storm and a rotating updraft producing gorilla hail. And this storm is going to pass just to the north of El Dorado, Arkansas, and it is moving off to the east-southeast. There you can see even some little eddies here along this gust front, but a dangerous storm nonetheless, capable of causing pretty substantial hail damage as it slides off to the east-southeast through southern Arkansas. Right to left, rapidly rising motion. This thing is trying to produce, folks. Big hail coming, folks. Big hail coming. Ooh! A little wall cloud on this thing. Let's go into it. That's a big hail. Big hail coming. Look on the right side. Here it comes. Big milky sky on the right. Big milky sky, folks. Here it comes. That's a big hailer. Wind shifting, big wind shifts. Whoa, rolling over. Whoa, big winds. Big winds, big hail coming. Smell the pine out here. You can smell the pine. Here it comes. Pine trees must be coming down. Big hail coming. Big hail, folks. Here it comes. Big hail coming.